God operates through nature, not white racists in privileged ninny science departments at Yale or Stanford, not Ford Foundation cowards. God operates through nature. Can we all agree on that? So number one, in order for you to see that I'm right, you must accept that God operates through nature. Number two, you must also accept that we are all a result of our DNA, gene expression. So therefore, on the smallest level, if whites are not superior, then they are not superior. How could a recessive trait be superior if God is in charge? How could that be? Obviously, that's a trait that God's trying to get rid of, or it wouldn't be recessive, right? No-brainer, common sense. In nature, where we all breed together, the recessives disappear unless they go in caves and start worshiping the devil. Can we agree on that? Okay. So now we agree that if your genes are inferior and they don't express themselves through nature and God, when mixed with another race's genes, that you are inferior to that race, then we must look at me and say, this guy's half white, half black. Why is he tall like his father? Why the big lips? Why isn't he short like, say, a chimpanzee? If you haven't fully evolved, and we've all seen the pictures where we start standing up, right? We're the ones who made it so we stood up. We took us from being chimps to standing up. And those who were inferior were expelled because it was the process of building the African temple and letting God and nature, natural mythology, religion, not Greco-Roman pantheons and whatever the fuck they do, but actual truth in nature is what Africa was about versus the self-direction of mankind. So God's direction of mankind and religious African men who represent every race we have today, sitting down and saying that's how it should be done. And the cowards who didn't like that they were naturally inferior. Okay, so now we must understand the difference, number three, between the self-direction of humanity and God's direction. Anytime man makes the rules himself, he cannot say he is naturally superior. And if you are not naturally superior, you are inferior. If your penis is closer to the size of a chimp and you are closer to the size of a chimp, you are inferior, regardless of what skin color you are. It's just common sense, you know? My dad's the top brain surgeon around here, okay, in fucking California, at least. Okay, I'm the top martial artist in America. There's 6 times more whites in America. Jews, whites, and Asians have all the money, all the nice equipment, all the best schools, teachers, tutors, martial art masters, etc. They cannot beat me at a debate, and they cannot beat me in martial arts, and they refuse to even compete fairly. They won't even compete unless they do things in a way where they have the upper hand, where a bunch of privileged Masons can be the judge, you know, instead of the camera and the honor system, which no one can deny, and I'm killing. They're not even scoring a single point. It's not even, you know, you don't see them complaining about a point, not even once. But they still want their Masonic judge. They still want it their white privilege way with a white audience giving me a hard time. That is cheating. So explain to me exactly. I'm half white, and I believe black people are superior. I swear to God, on all my white ancestors. I am not racist when I say this. Listen to what I've said this video with those 3 major points, okay? White people have all the advantages, and they're fucking everything up. 20 trillion plus in debt, just everything destroyed, fucked up. Everything fucked. Enslaved, genocide, eugenics, and so on. So how is your culture, your body, your anything superior? It's inferior. Thank you.